In the last lecture we started the concept that is a singly linked list. Okay, in the last video we learned about the first operation on the singly linked list, that is insertion operation. Now we will see the delete operation on the singly linked list. These are the basic operations on the linked list which we perform. First is creation of the linked list, then insertion a node into the linked list. In the previous lecture we learned about the insertion of a node into the linked list. Now in this lecture we learn about the deleting a node into the linked list. Okay, for that purpose now we revise just how to create the linked list. Okay, for creation of the linked list we required one node, and that node contains the structure, that is structure node. The node having the data type structure, and in that we can declare the two fields. First one is a data field for that node, and the second one is a next field, that is a pointer to the next node. Because the node contains the two fields, first one is a data field and second one is a next pointer field. In the programming for creation of the node, that is for example node star p is a pointer variable or node for your singly linked list, and p is equal to new node is used for creation of the new node into the memory location. Okay, after creating a node in the memory, one node is get created, and suppose I want to put or I want to set some value to that node. It means that p points to data is equal to 50 and p points to next is equal to null, and that node having the address 1002. Okay, this is the simple creation of one single node. Now we see about the linking of the two nodes. In the previous lecture we already discussed this topic, that is node linking of the two nodes. For linking purpose we require the two nodes, hence we declare here two nodes, that is p and the q. First of all we create the first node, that is a p is equal to new node, and then assign the value for that particular node, that is p points to data is equal to 50 and p points to next is equal to null, and the address for this particular variable is p is 1002. Okay, then the next node. For creation of the next node we also require the q is equal to new node, then q points to data is equal to 60 and q points to next is equal to null. Suppose I want to link this p node with the q. For that purpose I required the address of q, means this 1004, into the next pointer variable or next field of the p, means here. Okay, it means that after linking our list is like this: p 50 and then next node is 60, and the 50's next field contain the address of q node, that is 1004. For that purpose we write one sentence, that is p points to next is equal to q. Okay, this is nothing but the linking of the node. Now we will see the actual deletion of the node. Deletion operation which subdivided into the three parts, that is deleting from the beginning of the list, then delete from the end of the list, and delete in between of the list. These are the three subcategories for the delete operation on the linked list. Now we will see one by one. The first is deleting a node from the beginning of the list. It means that we have to delete the first element of your list. For that purpose we require the one initial list, and from that list we delete the first element or first node of our list. Okay, suppose for example this is our initial list which contain the three nodes. Okay, node 1, node 2 and node 3. Suppose that data contain 50, 60 and 70, and deleting the first node from the beginning, it means that I want to delete this particular first node, that which contain the 50 data. Okay, means head node I want to delete. For that purpose we require the two steps. Initially the first steps is that take the head pointer to the next node. Okay, it means initially the head pointer is pointing to the first memory location or first node memory location. Okay, suppose I want to delete this, hence I have to traverse this I want to transfer this head to the next node, that is the second node of our list. Okay, and then free this particular first node. these two steps to required to delete the first node of our list. Okay, in the step 1 we have to transfer our head to the second node. Okay, then the next step we have to free the first node, that is 50. For the free means deallocation of the memory for this particular node, means we require the deallocation functions for the memory allocation, that is delete function we use to delete that particular node. And after the deletion of the first node, our list will be like this. These are the steps required for deleting the node from the beginning. Okay, now we will see in the programming. Okay, in the programming, the first node, okay, this is our initial list, and the first step is take the head pointer to the second node. Okay, for taking the head pointer to the next node, for that purpose we require the another node or another pointer variable to be store the address of the first. Okay, now we will declare the another variable, that is node pointer variable, that is p. Initially that p contain the address of head, that is p is equal to head. Now the p contain 1004. Okay, now we have to traverse this head to the second node of our list, that is head is equal to head points to next. Okay, now the first address or the first node memory location is contained into the p variable. Okay, now in this means initially at the head pointer the memory location is 1004. Now the head is equal to head points to next, means head contain the 1006, that is the memory address of second node. Okay, in the second step, now head will be at the second position. Now in the second step we have to free this first node. For free the first node means we have to use the memory deallocation function, that is delete function. The syntax for the delete function is only delete and the pointer variable name, that is p, delete p. These are the two steps required to delete the first node of our list. Okay, this is the simply C code for delete the beginning element. Okay, now the delete the beginning element we required first of all head, then one pointer variable. First of all we check if our head is equal to null, that time our list or our whole list does not contain the any element, that is no element is available to delete. Okay, then otherwise we have to set this pointer variable to the head. Okay, and then we have to transfer the head to the second node of our list, that is head is equal to head points to next, and we have to free the first node. The first is delete function we can also use, as well as free function is also used for the memory deallocation purpose. Okay, and then return the head. This is a simple C code or pseudo code for the delete beginning function. Now we see the second sub function, that is delete the last node of our list. Okay, for deletion of the last node, suppose this is our initial list which contain the 3 nodes 50, 60 and 70. Then I want to delete this 70 node. Okay, for that purpose we required to do some steps, like suppose take the pointer at the end of the list. Now we have to take one pointer variable, and that pointer variable will traverse the whole list, and that pointer will be at the last node of our list. Then set the previous pointer node to the null. Now we have to set this previous node, that is this one is the last node of our list. Suppose one variable is assigning here, and then last but one node, that is this one node, contain the null here. When we have to delete this node, then null will be here, and delete this last node. Okay, suppose in a step 1, okay, this is our initial list. The step 1 is says that set the one pointer variable at the end node of our list. Okay, suppose p is a pointer variable, we have to traverse that pointer variable before the node we have to delete. Okay, it means the last but one node. Now so for assigning the pointer to the before node of our deletion, we have required some step, like suppose we declare the p variable, then p is equal to initially at the head pointer, then p points to next is not equal to null, because we need a pointer before the node to be deleted. Okay, now we have to delete the last node, hence we require the pointer variable at the last but one node, means here at the second node of our list. Then we have to traverse the list. P is equal to p points to next. It means that our P is at the second last node. Okay, after that in the second step we have to assign one variable at the last node of our node, that is q is equal to p points to next. Then we have to free that or delete that particular q node, that is q is equal to p points to next, means new variable is assigned at the last node of our list. Then we have to delete that node, and after deleting we have to set the null pointer variable to the p points to next, that is this one is now the last element of our list, that is p points to next is equal to null. And after the deletion of the node, our list will be like this, which contain only the two nodes, that is 50 and the 60. Okay, and at the last node of our list which contain the next field, that is a null. Okay, then pseudo code for this. For the deletion of the last node, we first of all we check the head pointer, that is head is equal to null, that time no node available into our list to delete. Otherwise we have to set the pointer variable at the head, and we have to traverse that pointer variable up to the last but one node, that is p points to next is not equal to null. That time we have to traverse that p pointer variable, that is p is equal to p points to next. Okay, then we can assign the new pointer variable at the last node of our list, that is q is equal to p points to next. After assigning, we have to delete that particular last node, that is delete q, and the last node of our list which next field contain the null, that is p points to next is equal to null. Okay, this is the pseudo code for the deleting the last node into the singly linked list. Next, deleting in between node. Okay, we have to delete in between node of our list. For that purpose, suppose this is our initial list which contain the 4 nodes. Okay, then set the previous node pointer to the next node. Okay, first of all you know that which node you want to delete, or after which data we have to delete the node. Suppose we want to delete the 70 node which contain the data, that is 70. I want to delete this particular node. That time we have to set one node pointer variable at the previous of our node, and then suppose here, then break the node pointer connection. We have to break this node pointer connection. It means that we have to store the address of this node into this particular node. Okay, then delete this node. These are the steps required for deleting in between node. Okay, now we will see in details. That is step 1. We need a pointer on the node to be deleted, as well as pointer to the one node before the node to be deleted. Okay, for deletion purpose we require the one node pointer variable before the node that you want to delete. Okay, for that purpose we require one value of the node to be deleted. Assume this variable is x and keep moving the pointer until the required node is reached. Okay, suppose I want to delete the node of x. Okay, I want to delete this x node, assigning the variable x, that is 70 node. That time we have to traverse the p pointer variable or p node pointer up to the previous pointer of that node, that is p is equal to head and p points to next points to data is not equal to x. Then we have to traverse this p pointer variable, p is equal to p points to next. It means the p will be here. After traversing that node, we have to assign the new pointer variable at that particular node which you want to delete. Okay, it means on the q is a नोड पॉइंटर वेरिएबल जो आपने यहाँ पे असाइन कर लिया है, जो आपको डिलीट करना है. ओके, इट मीन्स दैट q is equal to p points to next. Now for break the connection, that is for For breaking the connection, we require this memory address. Okay, the last node memory address at this particular location. Okay, it means that 10080 will be here. Now then this connection will get break and we have to delete this node now. Okay, q is equal to p points to next. अभी p points को to next में क्या डाला हमने, q points to next स्टोर कर दिया. मीन्स p के next में हमें क्या चाहिए, q का next. इट मीन्स दैट वी ब्रेक दिस पर्टिकुलर कनेक्शन. ओके, अभी इस दोनों में कुछ भी कनेक्शन नहीं है. देन इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग द कनेक्शन वी हैव टू फ्री दैट नोड, मीन्स q pointer, delete q. After the deletion, our list will be like this, which contain only the 3 nodes 50, 60 and 80 at the last node which contain the null. Okay, then for the pseudo code for this particular program is delete in between. We require the p and q 2 node pointer variable. Then first of all, you check that if our head is equal to null, that time no node is available into our list. Okay, and x is a variable which x is a data that node we want to delete. Okay, p is equal to head, and while p points to next points to data is not equal to x, जब तक कोई x नहीं आता तब तक हमें p को क्या करना है, ट्रैवर्स करते रहना है until you can reach to the x, before the x. Okay, then another variable q is assigning to that particular node which contain the x value. Q is equal to p points to next. After that we break the connection, means p points to next is equal to q points to next. After breaking the connection, we have to free or we have to delete that pointer, that is delete q. This is the simple pseudocode for deleting the node in between. Okay, thank you.